White Bull's Barbecue. The best damn barbecue ever.
Welcome back, barbecue fam. Chris here with White Bull's Barbecue, and today we're going to be doing my smoked buffalo chicken cheesesteak. This recipe's out of this world, super easy, super amazing, and sorry guys, blue cheese over ranch. If you disagree, comment below and let me know what's up. Anyways, we got the Traeger rolling at 315. We're going to season our chicken cutlets and we're going to get them rolling, and then we're going to make a sandwich out of this. This is going to be super easy and super bomb. Hit that like and subscribe. Let's go. Alright, we got our chicken cutlets all seasoned up with the one, the only, White Bull's The Rub for Beef. Let's get this on the smoker. We got the Traeger rolling at 315. These are nice and thin. That's all it's gonna take. So let's do the damn thing and I'll see you guys out there. Alright, so these have been rolling 10 minutes at 315. Let's probe them. Already at 145. Already at 160 and already at 161. 5 more minutes, these are definitely done. We're gonna dice them up. We're gonna make that buffalo chicken mixture that we're gonna put on these rolls. It's gonna be lit. Let's go, super easy. While we're climbing the temp out there, get your Dow Strong ready and get your hoagie roll ready. Look at this, this is how it should look. Nice and spongy. Oh yeah, let's go. This is what your chicken should look like. Got a beautiful bark going on there. Got our roll ready. And look at that, we're about to dice that with the Dow Strong and throw it in here with our sauce and our cheese. Let's do the damn thing. Nice strips. Perfectly lean white meat for this. Perfectly smoked. Be mindful when you're cutting, especially if you're using a Dow Strong. Razor sharp. Real quick, look at the bark on that. Nice. That'll stand up and hold some texture when we throw it into this mixture that's about to get cheesy and a little more spicy. So let's throw it in there, guys. All right, throw that in there. Get your Sweet Baby's buffalo dip. This is important. Now we add 4 slices of American cheese. Turn it down to low from medium, start stirring. All right guys, start mixing that in nice and slow. Throw it on medium-low heat. Nice and low. Cut that cheese up as much as you can. It's gonna disperse better. Just give it that slow churn. We'll give it a minute and come back, stir it again. Okay, you wanna stir until it's about that consistency. And we're gonna add 1 more piece of cheese and call it a day. Let's do it. Alright, your final mixture should look like this. Evenly disperse that mixture into your roll. Ooh. Perfect. Even it out. Time for the final touch. Oh yeah. Another touch of D-rub. Time for some blue cheese. Got that wishbone chunky blue cheese with that corner store upcharge. That's that Philly stuff. Now let's get this on this sando. And that'll do it. Look at this, guys. That's amazing. Super cheesy, the blue cheese on top to really sell it. It's time to dig in. Look. I know you guys been wondering, why the hell isn't Chris showing us him eating the food anymore? That's one of the best parts. Well, I got you. Look at that. That's what you're dealing with. That is what you're dealing with. It's creamy, it's cheesy, it's chicken, so you know it's banging, and it's got that spice to it too. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Cheers. You talk about an insane cheesesteak. If you like a little bit of spice, a little bit of amazingness, and a whole lot of cheesy goodness, this is the way to go. The bread has to be perfect too, guys, and it's just an incredible experience across the board. I hope you enjoyed this. As always, thank you for watching, and hit that like and subscribe. Comment what you want to see next below. Big things are coming. Let's get to 10K. I love you, barbecue fam. Until next time.
White Bulls Barbecue, the best damn barbecue ever.